Hello, ICT215 spreadsheet students. I wanted to just take 2 minutes to go over a key piece to what you're going to have to do this week for macros, the macros component, if you are going to use the Microsoft Excel software downloaded version that you put on a PC, laptop, Mac. If you do that, you have to actually adjust the ribbon a little bit. So I'm going to jump out here to Excel. And this is just a new Excel workbook. I opened up a blank workbook. And I want you to pay close attention to the ribbon. If you look through here, you're not going to find anything related to macros. The reason for that is it's not because it doesn't exist within the Excel program. It's just not a common tab that's already preloaded, preset up, ready for the end user to use. So what you have to do is you have to add that tab to your ribbon. So we're going to go in here into the file area. Again, just to take a step back for a second, this you will not have to do if you're using Google Sheets for macros, which is very user-friendly for recording macros. And you won't have to do this if you're using Office 365 Excel version. That's the web-based version of Excel. The web-based version is limited, as I mentioned previously a couple times, in areas such as primarily working with charts and some formulas as well. But the macros function feature within the Office 365 Excel web-based version is really rich, and in my estimation, my opinion, it's really user-friendly as well. Okay, so again, this is for the full desktop download software version of Excel. We need to put that option in here so it's available on the ribbon. So what we're going to do is go out to the File tab. We're going to go to Options, and then you'll get this window that pops up, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do here to customize your spreadsheet and how things happen and how you can interact with your spreadsheets, etc. And by the way, once you set these stay until you make the changes again. So every time you would open up a new spreadsheet, new workbook, these settings that you create in here will stick until you change them. So what we need to do is we need to customize the ribbon. So we're going to click on Customize Ribbon. And then you'll notice over here, these are, if you take a look at across the top, you'll see the Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas. These are all of the ribbons that exist right now. What we're going to do is we're going to add the developer ribbon. So if you find the developer, you'll check that box, and then you don't have to change any of this stuff here. You can just let that all as it is by default, and then just click OK. So then you'll notice out here the ribbon added a new tab, and that new tab is the developer tab. This is how you can work with macros and some other functions that are kind of developer related functions as well. But what we're going to do is work within this area again if you're going to use this option of recording macros from the desktop full version. This is how you will add the developer tab. That's it. I told you I'd keep it short. Have a good day. Have a good week. If you need to meet with me this week, please reach out to me. Take care. See you around.